Parkour is the art of moving through urban spaces using creative and efficient techniques. Whether it's vaulting, rolling, or climbing, parkour blends physical skill with mental focus. Let's learn the basics to help you get started safely. Warm-ups are essential to prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Focus on dynamic stretches and bodyweight exercises to prepare your muscles for movement. Let's gear up and start the warm-up routine. Your stance is the foundation of parkour. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent and arms relaxed but ready to move. This position helps you balance and respond to obstacles quickly. The parkour roll is key for absorbing impact and protecting your body during landings. Learn to tuck your chin, roll over your shoulder and end smoothly on your feet. Practice on soft ground to perfect your technique. Vaulting helps you navigate obstacles quickly and efficiently. Start with the safety vault by placing one hand on the obstacle and swinging your legs through. Practice on low barriers before progressing to higher ones. Parkour jumps are about control, not height. Bend your knees, swing your arms for momentum, and land softly with your feet shoulder-width apart. Practice precision by jumping between marked spots on flat ground. Climbing helps you scale walls or structures safely. Use your arms to pull and legs to push as you ascend. Start with small walls and focus on maintaining 3 points of contact for stability. Now it's time to flow. Combine rolls, vaults, and jumps into a seamless sequence. Focus on smooth transitions and maintaining momentum as you move through obstacles. Safety first. Always check your surroundings. Start with easy obstacles and never push beyond your limits. Consistent practice builds skill and confidence over time. You've mastered the basics of parkour. Keep practicing, explore new environments, and enjoy the freedom of movement. Remember, parkour is about creativity and self-expression.